Can you share what the teachers are experiencing with the board when they're doing their lesson planning versus when they were doing their lesson planning for lessons in the classroom with the projector? How is that different?
Teachers that are early adopters and are very proficient with the boards, as they're designing their lessons, they're looking for opportunities to integrate the board. And so we use various resources during our instruction. So anytime there's an opportunity, let's say in a science resource, if there's some sort of a digital lab, that the board lends itself to making that experience such an engaging one for students. And just extending that with science, the lab experience is so important. Just, the seat content. Kids need opportunities to have the hand-on experience. And of course, it doesn't replace the actual concrete side, but it's a great bridge going from the concrete to that pictorial representation to the actual hands-on experience in the lab.